In this video, I'll help you solving the issue that you're having with your MacBook Air M5 in case it's not charging. So I'll go through a few different tips, and fortunately one of these will work. So the first thing you need to check before attempting anything complicated, click on the top left corner on the Apple logo, select System Settings, and then if you click on Battery, there's a few things you need to check. So if you go over here where it says charging, click the eye icon on the right side. And here you're going to have two things. So charging limit. There's a chance that there's a charging limit that is on your computer, which means that if you set it up to 85%, once it's reached the percentage you see here, it will stop charging, even if it's connected. So make sure there's no charge limit, and okay, down below, optimized battery charging. Make sure this is turned off as well. Because optimized battery charging is to reduce battery aging. Your Mac learns from your daily charging routine, so it can wait to finish charging past 80%. Which means that it will stop charging at 80% and it will continue charging from 80 to 100% when it feels it will not affect the battery health. So again, if you turn both of these off and you put the top one on 100%, there's a good chance it will fix your issue and your computer will be able to charge further if it's connected. Now, if you're still having issues charging, another thing you can do, a simple thing, is to click the Apple logo, select Restart, confirm by clicking Restart here. Your computer will shut down, will power on by itself, and sometimes it's a software issue, and just by doing this, your computer will be able to continue charging. Another thing that you can try doing is to, okay, over here, your MacBook Air is able to charge using the MagSafe charger that comes included in the box, or using USB Type-C cable, in case you didn't know. So what I suggest is you try charging your computer using another charger, okay? Maybe borrow one from your friend with another cable. Try using USB Type-C. Again, if your friend has a smartphone, there's a good chance he or she has a USB Type-C cable. Plug it in their charger, and try also using a different wall outlet. So if you're using a power bar like this one, I suggest you stop using it just to test out, okay? Connect your computer in another wall outlet in your house or office using another charger, with using another cable, just to make sure that the problem is not one of these three things. So after doing this, I suggest you keep it connected, okay, to the charging, to the computer. Let me do it over here. Keep it connected at least an hour or two. Sometimes it will not start charging right away. It will take some time. And fortunately, this was the issue. So you can simply buy a new charger or new cable, whatever, and this will fix the problem. Now, another thing you can try doing is to check over here if there's an update pending. So in general, in system settings, go in software update, and if there is any update, I suggest you do it. Maybe Apple fixed your problem in the next update. So again, check it out and update right away if there is one. Finally, the last thing you can check is if your charging ports are clogged. I don't know if you see here. Sometimes, okay, with time you get lint, you get debris collected inside. So by cleaning them and connecting your charging cable again, you may fix the issue. Fortunately, that was as simple as this. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and comment as well if you have other solutions. See you in the next one.